Good morning to all. This video is very important for you because in this video I will start the trigonometry. The trigonometry which you have read in class 10, that I will not tell you in this video because you can revise the trigonometry from the class 10 book. The general formula, that is the reciprocal sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta, cos theta 1 upon sec theta, identities relation sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, and many more. But what is not given in the class 10 means which is in class 11, that I will tell you. Especially the 3.2 exercise in ML Agrawal, ISC Mathematics by ML Agrawal book. 3.1 exercise reduced in this year, academic year 2020-21, and 3.2 is based on exactly class 10 trigonometry. Dicto questions are given also. You can solve by yourself, you can do the practice. But 3.3, from the 3.3, where it is given the find the domain, range, and some more things, the angles are given, in which direction, in which quadrant the angle lies, like this. So just I want to tell you, that is the domain and range of the trigonometric function. What is the meaning of the domain and range of trigonometric function? If you see this x, in this case the domain and range, sin x, this first trigonometric function, when you study in the class 9, then the first trigonometric function is the sine, then cos, tan, cot, like this. There are only 6 trigonometric functions. Here, what is the meaning of the domain and range? I have told you in the relations and functions what is the meaning of the domain and range. Here also, meaning of domain means the value of x, means you can say in the trigonometric function what the value, whatever the value is given with the trigonometric function, means sine, then this is called angle, this angle, this is called domain of the function. Only x is called the domain of the function. For example, if you have sine 3x, then this is called domain. But the value of 3, because constant, x is variable. So if x is variable and 3 is constant, so which can be changed? Only variable. So in other way, you can say the x is the domain of the function, means you can put any value of x, you will get the other value of the sin x. Suppose x is equal to something pi by 2, so sin pi by 2 is equal to, x is equal to 0, so sin 0 is equal to, x is equal to pi by 4, so sin pi by 4 is equal to. These are the different values at different x. So x, how to find the x? In this case, in the sine function, the x is all real number, means कोई भी वैल्यू हम रख सकते हैं, x is equal to all real values. So the domain is all real number and domain is represented by this d, f means function, which function? Trigonometric function, is equal to r, like this. All real values, you can write also in terms of all real values. But what is the range? Range meaning, Range means when we put the value of x, what you get that full value. Sin x की value क्या मिलेगी? That is called range. इसे range कहते हैं. In other way, we can write fx is equal to sin x is equal sin x. तो x क्या हो गया? Domain हो गया. And what is the sin x? Range means fx is the range of the function. In case of sine theta or sin x, if you see the table, then the minimum value and maximum value till class 10, you got the 0 and 1. But in class 11th, I will tell you also the some other angles. Not you are not limited to the only 5 types of angles: 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. There are infinite angles. In the left direction means negative direction, and in the positive direction means in all the negative angle you can take and the positive angle you can take. So the range is, in this case, range is represented by RF. The maximum value of sin x, x की कोई भी value रखें, कोई भी any value you can put x sorry, you will get the maximum value is 1 and the minimum value is -1 of this function. So the range of the function is -1 to 1, and then we use this close bracket, and I have told what is the meaning of the brackets. -1 to 1 मतलब the values lies between of sin theta -1 to 1. You can write the -1 इसके आगे बढ़ेंगे तो 0.9 -0.9 -0.8 मतलब कुछ भी हो सकते हैं, 0.9 0.8 0 0.1 1 like that. Infinite real numbers, but lies between -1 to 1. This is the range of sin. Similarly, the cos x, इसका जो डोमेन होता है, द सेम टाइप ऑफ डोमेन रियल नंबर, एंड द रेंज इज आल्सो सेम -1 to 1. Domain is also same and range is also same for the cos function. So similarly, we can find the domain and range of the functions, trigonometric functions, and I make a table of the domain and range. T ratios, sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x, cosec x. Domain and range. Domain is all real number. Same all real number. Tan x and sec x. As you know, tan pi by 2. What is the value of tan pi by 2? Tan 90 degree. Tan 90 degree is equal to infinity. You know this part. But only not at tan 90 degree infinity. जितने भी 90 डिग्री के मल्टीपल है, ऑड मल्टीपल, जैसे 3 into 90 degree also gives infinity, 5 into 90 degree also gives infinity, 7 into 90 degree also gives infinity. तो जब इन्फिनिटी दे रहा है तो इन्फिनिटी इज नॉट ए रियल नंबर. इट मीन्स वी हैव टू लीव दीज वैल्यूज ऑफ एक्स, मतलब इसको नहीं रखना है बिकॉज यू आर नॉट गेटिंग द रियल नंबर. तो डोमेन इसका क्या हो जाएगा? ऑल रियल वैल्यूज except odd multiple of 90 degree, except इसको हम ऑड मल्टीपल को ऐसे भी लिखा जाता है 2n+1 इंटू पाई बाई टू। ये पाई बाई टू मतलब 90 डिग्री है, पाई बाई टू का मतलब वैल्यू होती है 90। पाई मीन्स 180 डिग्री, 180 डिग्री बाई टू 90 डिग्री। तो एक्सेप्ट अन 2n+1 n बिलोंग्स टू कोई भी नंबर तो ऑड मल्टीपल हो जाएगा। n इज इक्वल टू 0 तो 1 पाई बाई टू, n इज इक्वल टू 1 तो 3 पाई बाई टू, लाइक दिस। सिमिलरली इन दिस सेक के केस में, सेक सेम, वाई you can check sec 90 is also infinity, so that is why the odd multiple of sec. But for cot and cosec, इसको हम अलग लिख दे रहे हैं, cot x and cosec x. In this case a cot 0 degree is equal to infinity, cot 0 degree. सिमिलरली कोसेक 0 डिग्री इज इक्वल टू ऑल्सो इन्फिनिटी। तो जो जीरो के मल्टीपल मतलब कि जैसे 1 इंटू जीरो, 2 इंटू जीरो, 3 इंटू जीरो, मतलब लाइक दिस, तो वी कैन राइट द वैल्यू 0 पे हो गया, पाई पे हो गया, 2 पाई पे हो गया, मतलब 0 के बाद सीधे 180 डिग्री, 360 डिग्री, then multiple of pi you can say 180 degree, multiple of 180 degree. So in this case all real values except n मतलब integers pi, except n pi, pi is equal to 180 degree. So these are the domain of the functions. Range just I have told, -1 to 1 for sine and -1 to 1 for cos. But tan theta and cot theta, the range will be all real value, क्योंकि इसमें इन्फिनिटी आता है, तो इन्फिनिटी और माइनस इन्फिनिटी, तो इसके बीच में सब नंबर सारे, all the numbers known as the real number. In cot also all real values. But for the sec and cosec, for the sec -1 नहीं आएगा and 1 also you will not, mean between -1 to 1, -1 and 1 it comes, but between -1 to 1 it will not come any range. So all real value except -1 to 1, मतलब open bracket, and this is also cosec x, all real values except -1 to 1. So these are the 6 domain and range of the 6 trigonometric function. Just you have to learn the trigonometric range as well as domain. After finding the range and domain of the trigonometric function, some formulae also there. New formulae like negative angle sine of -x is equal to what it, I told you, I tell you with one figure in the if you have this type of graph and this is the, these are the two lines, what is this? This is the theta, and what is this? माइनस थीटा, इसको हम थीटा लिख देते हैं, थीटा एंड माइनस इन द अपोजिट डायरेक्शन, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन नेगेटिव एंगल एंड एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन पॉजिटिव एंगल, एंड दिस इज द एक्स एक्सिस, this is y axis. If you join this one like this, this is the perpendicular, okay, and this perpendicular in the downward direction means downward minus y axis. If you want to find the value of the, and this is the resultant, what resultant means the modulus of this between the value x and y, this is always positive resultant value. In this case, if you want to find the sin theta तो sin theta तो यहाँ पे निकलेगा, but what is the sin of minus theta? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Perpendicular you are taking in negative direction, hypotenuse in the positive direction. So perpendicular means minus sign and hypotenuse. This is the sign of minus theta. And what is the main formula of P by H? Perpendicular upon hypotenuse in the same direction. So this will be the positive, means sin theta. So you can write as minus sin theta. Means the formula is minus sin theta. Do you understand? But for the cos, as you know, this is the base upon hypotenuse, and in this case the base is this positive x, hypotenuse always positive, so this upon this means positive, so is equal to cos theta. Where you get the perpendicular, in that case you will get the negative, otherwise positive. So similarly you can write tan of minus theta minus tan theta, cot of, because perpendicular you are getting, minus cot theta, sec of, अब इसमें नहीं मिलेगा, this is hypotenuse upon base, तो only sec theta, but cosec of minus theta is equal to minus cosec. By this way you are getting all the negative angle, formula of all the negative angle that you have to learn or you have to understand by this way. And if you forgot, suppose in the exam, then you can make the draw the figure and find the values. There are only two positive, cos and sec, all are negative. Now some more topic in which I have to tell you about the angle, but before that I tell you what is the meaning of pi. Pi, the value of pi, इसको रेडियन कहते हैं, पाई रेडियन. 180 डिग्री is equal to pi radian. This is called pi radian. 180 degree means 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. One degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. Okay, so if you want to find the 45 degree, so what you will multiply this one, so it will be pi by 4 radian. If you want to find the 30 degree, so multiply this one. This is the formula, means 1 degree is equal to this, so 30 degree is equal to pi by 6 radian. This pi is different from that circumference which you use in the circumference, that is 3.14 or 22 by 7. That is the real value. Okay, but this is the radian. 30 degree is equal to pi by. Similarly, 60 degree is equal to pi by 3 multiplied by 60 radian, and 90 degree is equal to, जो हम लोग यूज कर रहे थे भी ना, pi by 2, that is, तो pi by 2 radian. And so many angles are there, you can find out. जैसे अब निकालना है 135 डिग्री, 135 डिग्री, तो multiply 135 degree here, so what you will get, 3 pi by 4. when you solve you will get 3 pi by 4 radian. मतलब ये जो लिखा है you can write 3 pi by 4. 45 in place of 45, pi by 4. In place of 30, pi by 6. In place of 60. Similarly, the 360 degree, that is 2 pi, क्योंकि 360 से मल्टीप्लाई करें तो 180 into 2 pi रेडियन. Similarly, the 150 degree, when you multiply by 100 degree तो 5 pi by simple radian. So these are the some values that you have to use in the. So in this video I have explained about the new thing, that is domain, range of the trigonometric function, some negative angles and relation between radian and degree. You must watch and you will understand. Then I will start the next thing in the next video, that is exercise 3.3, and 3.1 will not come, but 3.2 you have to do. This is for the practice only, so you do the practice today. Thank you.